Welcome to the stream, everybody. Let's get it started. We're gonna play some Planet Fishing for a while. Okay. Hopefully, everybody's having a great day. All right. Let me roll this up real quick. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
What's going on?
Oh, nothing. Just chilling out.
The
I
chillaxing.
saw. I saw that you were streaming.
Yeah, I'm playing my wife's game real quick. She spent coins to get in here, and I didn't want to like mess it up. So yeah.
Hey, I got you. No worries.
Yeah.
I should go get it. Yeah.
Not real money. It's coins that you earn for fishing.
I know, but hey, you worked on it, so like it can't be like nah.
Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing.
I mean, she's the one who brings you food, so
yeah,
like,
yeah. Her little doggy right there. Little doggy. Yeah.
Yeah.
So what we doing?
Oh, nothing. Just bored working on just AcreetionOS stuff.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Dad's taking a nap right now.
What happened?
Dad is taking a nap right now.
Napping it up.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice. Yeah.
Yeah. So, yeah, I forgot that you got off at 3 today. Sorry.
Yeah. No, you're good.
I would have said something earlier. I for whatever reason I thought it was 6, and I was like, oh yeah, after you sent the message.
Nah, you're good. Yeah. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or my 9 to 6.
Yeah. I just it's not
good.
that I don't care; it's that I can't remember.
Yeah. No, you're good. Doing about. You're good.
That's why I always ask you. Yeah, and I bug you like every day.
Yeah, you're good. Doing about it. Okay. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, one of my workers, they want a game tonight when he gets off work and just play Mortal Kombat. So
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. But I'm not gonna stream though because I'm not trying to get banned. But yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
I mean,
Which is
okay.
stupid.
I was gonna say, if you don't want to stream it, what we can do, you can jump in Discord and we
Yeah.
can all hang out while you guys
Yeah.
are doing it. If you want, that's up
fine.
to you.
That's fine. He has Discord too. I just gotta. He's gonna text me when he gets off work. Yeah. And he's all saying, yeah, there's a lot of nice people at Walmart. I didn't think people would be nice. Like, yeah, there's a lot of nice people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So is he like a new coworker or?
Yeah, he's new. Yeah, he barely started probably like a couple weeks ago, maybe. And we're talking about gaming and stuff.
Okay.
I say, yeah, a lot of team leads and associates and coaches, they game. Like, yeah.
Did they do like a mass firing type situation thing?
What do you mean?
So, whenever some people are not doing their job, companies have a thing where they lay off a bunch of people.
Oh yeah, they did that. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, I mean, you've talked about it in the past, so.
Yeah. Yeah. No. Yeah. He's probably maybe I don't maybe like a week or two. Maybe I don't know. I haven't really seen him, so maybe not that far. But I'm not really sure. But we started talking about gaming and stuff. I say yeah, like a lot of associates share a game. A lot of them actually. You'd be surprised.
It kind of doesn't surprise me that much, to be honest.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I'm assuming most of your associates are probably about the age of 20 or 30.
Yeah, they are. Yeah. Like Yuki, he games too. He's a gamer.
Yeah. We talk in the server sometimes. So.
Yeah. Again.
He hasn't been around that much lately, but that's okay.
Well, he's busy. He's busy a lot. He works and he manages servers. He manages servers and stuff like that. Like
got you.
Like big corporations. Yeah.
That's crazy to me.
What?
Oh, that he does that. That's crazy.
Yeah.
I'm jealous.
Yeah.
Somewhat jealous. Imagine the liability attached to that would be crazy.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm just eating.
All right, I'm just working on stuff while we're doing.
I'm eating pizza.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've ordered pizza for snack.
Cool.
On my first snack.
I had some pizza rolls earlier.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Are you just working on AcreetionOS stuff right now?
Yeah, I'm just working on AcretionOS stuff right now. There's some stuff I need to take care of.
Gotcha. Move it over here, right there. Guys, little spot. That's cool.
Yeah, honestly, it's like not a ton of fun on this part.
Right. Yeah.
Sometimes, yeah, you gotta do what you do.
Right. Do what you gotta do, and that's it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, and you move on. That's how that works.
Yep.
Okay, good. I'm also doing a lot of cleanup on my side for my machine.
Yeah.
Inside, so with my AI agents, I have essentially its own file system that I built.
Yeah.
But whenever it's being used, things are being built one piece at a time.
Yeah.
So sometimes you end up with duplicates, or you'll end up with credentials that need to be stored a different way. Oh, it gets too big, which is what happened. So I had to go through a bunch of compression. So yeah.
Yeah, gotcha.
Yeah. you do what you gotta do.
Yeah.
That's what I've spent the last 3 hours doing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I was doing that. That in the background right now, I have. I'm trying to think. In the background right now, I have a bunch of different builds being worked on.
Yeah.
Um, what's cool is that um, I guess we'll call it an agent network. I guess I have
Yeah.
5 different agents, which are all based off of each other. And the primary one is based off of me we've talked about before.
Yeah.
So it does actually physically think and do things as if I would.
Right. I
Um,
got you. I got you.
yeah, that's cool. So I guess cool. So yeah, I wonder if Gad's ever gonna stream again.
I don't know. He should. He's home all day. I'm always he's home all day. You know what I mean?
Yeah, honestly, I know he hasn't been feeling too good lately. So.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, that's understandable.
Yeah, he's taking a nap right now.
Yeah.
I'm
But
just trying to leave him alone.
yeah. Yeah. Get some rest. But he should start streaming. You know what I mean?
I agree. I think he would enjoy it more. I just think it's very stressful for him.
Yeah.
Um,
Well,
so I don't know.
Yeah. Just be yourself. You know what I mean? You don't gotta be. You know. Be
People have
yourself.
a problem with it. That's a them problem.
Yeah. You know what I mean? You
It
can
would
make.
make to them.
Yeah. You can make him some overlays and stuff, and you know.
Hmm. I probably could.
Yeah.
Yeah. Honestly, I might do that.
You know.
Yeah, yeah.
Just
We
make
might do that together.
just make him a pack of overlays. You know what I mean? So he has different options to choose for. You know.
Yeah. Yeah, because like, yeah. Yeah, I get what you're saying. I don't know the reason why
Yeah.
he doesn't like streaming.
Yeah.
I haven't been able to like actually figure that out, but
Well, he games. You know what I mean?
yeah, exactly. That's why I don't understand.
Yeah.
I know he also games because it helps him de-stress and it
Yeah.
works for him.
Yeah.
And I wonder if it's like I don't want to turn that into a job because it takes it away from being
Right.
a
Yeah.
de-stressor.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. I don't know.
Yeah.
That's why I don't stream really anymore.
Yeah.
I didn't enjoy it like at all.
Yeah.
Um, mhm.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. It's just it's fun. You know what I mean? I don't know. I don't know. To me, I don't know. You're gaming anyways, or you're doing whatever you're doing. You know what I mean? You let people watch. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
You're not gonna make billions
yeah.
of dollars of it. It's just for fun. You know what I mean?
I totally get it. What I'm more so referring to
Mm.
is when you stream by yourself, it can get kind of boring.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Or if you have somebody talking on
Yeah,
Discord or you're streaming, you know, it's kind of cool. You know, like you.
yeah, exactly. Like this is a lot more fun. I
Yeah.
got you. That's what
You
I'm here
know.
for, right?
Yeah. But you know what I mean? It's like, yeah, I don't know. But
I mean, I gotta be useful for something,
yeah,
right?
yeah. No, but there are some people just like to stream by yourself and relax. You know, what I mean, it's just a different situation. You know what I mean? Um, to me, I like having, you know, I like chilling, streaming a little bit sometimes by myself, but sometimes I like having people, you know, hang out, whatever, you know.
I totally get it. If you ever feel like you don't want to talk, don't be too scared to be like, "Hey,
Nah,
I know."
nah, you're good,
I just get bored.
right? No, no, I need too. I get bored too.
Sometimes I'm just too tired to talk, though.
Right? Cause yeah, no, I got you.
It's more than that. I just get tired.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I texted Aaron this morning, like I think like 4 something this morning, I think. 4:30. I
Yeah.
think 4:35. Yeah, he's all. He said something. I think he said something about, oh, you're up so early because I go to work. That's why I'm up early.
That's why you're up early. Yeah.
Yeah.
I was and no, I got up at like 5:30 this morning,
Mhm.
and then I was awake for maybe 10 minutes. And then I was like, fuck this shit. I'm going back to bed.
Nice.
And then I got up at about like 10:30, 11 o'clock this morning.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
That's cool. Yeah, I just yeah, just make some overlays and stuff like that, and
That's fair.
you know.
I mean, like, how do I put this? I just want to make sure he's actually going to use it
Yeah,
if I were
yeah,
to make them.
yeah. No, I got you.
Um,
I got you
but it
100%.
takes time, right?
Oh
Like,
yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. I know it takes time. It's not.
yeah. I know you know that. You've
uh,
made them.
yeah. No, it takes time. Yeah.
Yeah. Again, it's not that it's hard. It's just, why would you do something if someone's not going to use it?
Yeah. Yeah. Got you 100%.
Yeah.
But when he does stream though, you know, basically use that other thing, right? The little circle thing or whatever on the corner.
Yeah. I made that.
Yeah.
It's all it is. So whenever you actually make it and get
Mm,
all you end up doing is you actually put in a black circle and then you invert it.
yeah.
And then whenever, because it's a JPEG file,
Mm,
it actually shows up transparent. It's
yeah.
really not that complicated.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe you know. But you are right though. But you are right though. You know, there's no point in doing something if some don't want to use it. You know what I mean? Because you work so hard to make it or whatever. You know what I mean?
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. I mean, not again, not judging him. It's just
No, no, no.
some things, yeah, like based on past actions, I have to figure that out. So
Yeah.
yeah, that's all I'll say.
Gotcha.
Um,
Kind of don't want to fish no more.
why?
I don't caught one fish. No, I'm joking.
Um,
Nah, I fish for a while. But yeah, no, I know what you mean. Or even make like the start. You know, I don't know if you you know. I don't know if he wants like a timer or something like that, you know what I mean, so he can get ready, or he just jumps straight in the stream. I don't know.
yeah, I have no problem making him the assets that he needs.
Yeah. Well,
That's not
yeah,
the issue. I just want to know he's gonna use them.
yeah.
Um,
Set his OBS up for him and everything, you know. So
yeah,
yeah,
and he just can't have his system wiped out every month and a half.
yeah. No,
Um,
I don't know. I quit doing that. I don't know. Like I told him, I got tired of it. Was cool for a while. It's cool, it was cool redoing the system. Otherwise, I just got so tired of it because I'm tired of reinstalling everything and credentials and all, you know, and just,
yeah, exactly. That's why there's two things on that. I haven't reinstalled probably a month
yeah,
ish. Think it's been that long. But I have had to go in and fix things a couple of times, but
yeah,
that's it.
yeah. But so it was cool for a while. And then like, it's getting tired of it now. Cause it's like it sucks to reinstall everything and credentials and make sure everything's how you had it. It's just doing too much. Unless if you really
Y-
absolutely have to. Unless if you, yeah,
Something I've talked to Dad about potentially doing,
hmm.
but I think I'm gonna have to be the one to implement it. To be honest,
Yeah,
is making a Squash FS
hmm.
image
Yeah.
and then combining it into the ISO.
So yeah,
I'm gonna have to add a hook, um, because It's gonna basically so you know how on Windows they have that recovery menu?
Yeah, yep,
I wanna make something similar that's going to use time shift.
yeah, kind of something similar to that. Yeah, I got you.
Yeah, exactly. Um,
Yeah, that's. I think that would be pretty cool.
I think there'd be two uses for it though. It would be good for multiple things. So one of those things being what you're talking about. You wipe your system that you happen to have a time shift backup.
Yeah,
Now you can go in that system and actually use it as a restore
pull it.
point,
Yeah,
essentially.
yeah,
Um, yeah, exactly. It'd make things a lot easier. It'd take a while, obviously,
right. Yeah, of
but
course. Yeah,
you could still get back to what you were at.
yeah, yeah,
That's one of the benefits of Linux being nothing but files.
yeah. Uh, yeah. So, my other buddy, all right, you know my buddy that I put AcreetionOS on for, right?
Yeah.
Now his well, because they're they watch basically they really don't use it for nothing. They just use it for for watching games, basketball games, because they're big old sports fanatics. So his cousin, he texted me yesterday. He's like, "Oh, my cousin likes this. Can you put on his laptop for him? Because they really don't know nothing about it. We're like, yeah, just let me know. Just bring it to me to work or whatever, and I'll bring it to you back the next day or whatever. And yeah, he's always, oh, it's pretty cool. I'm like, yeah, it is. It's really cool. But
That is pretty cool.
but like I said, they use it for game. They watch it for sports basically. You know what I mean? That's it. But because he said when he had Windows in it, it was all sluggish and it was just crap. Like yeah.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. Because that's the thing, people don't understand. And, most people think, how do I put this the right way?
Put it the right
Most
way.
people think that Linux doesn't have a lot of the same features
It
that
does.
Windows does. But
Oh,
it
it does.
does.
No, it
Yeah.
does.
Most of them already exist.
Yeah, yeah.
Like,
He's got to know what they're called though. You know what I mean? Because they're not called what they're called on Windows. They're called something different. You know what I mean?
yeah, exactly. I mean, most software, including Adobe software now, runs on Linux.
Yeah,
So,
it's web based,
there's
isn't
not
it?
really.
Is it Adobe web based now?
There is that, but they actually got the native suite running too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, someone did. I'd have to go find the project, but and then you have things like Winboat, which lets you run an
Yeah,
actual Windows image
yeah.
in a Docker container.
Yeah. I was watching.
So,
I was
yeah.
I was watching because I watched a lot of Mudahara stuff, right? And he was doing a video on that. He was doing a video on that. You know who he is, don't you?
Yeah, I know who he is.
Yeah.
I wish we could be friends one day. Enough. He actually seems like a really cool guy.
Oh, he's fun. I like watching his videos. He's funny. It's the stuff that he says. He's hilarious. I think he's from Canada. I think he's up in Canada. Yeah. Yeah, because I think he said he's from Canada, and I think Linus is up there too. I think he lives in Canada too. But yeah,
Yeah. Linus does live up there. He lives right outside of Vancouver.
Vancouver, Washington. Yeah, Vancouver,
Mhm.
Canada. Yeah.
Yeah, no, I know that because of his videos. Obviously.
Yep.
So
I know they got a microsync up there. I know that part.
we have one 4 or 5 hours away. I want to go to it. I mean, Dad and I were making a joke the other day.
Not right now because the ramp price. You want to go? No.
Obviously, we were making a joke the other day, and we were talking about how basically that he has to not take a credit card or any of that type of stuff. He has to be like, this is what I'm getting, or then he'll come back with tons of debt.
Yeah, all kinds of stuff, right?
I mean, it's a candy store basically. Protect people.
Well, yeah. Well, it's like a kid in a candy store. Big old, yeah.
Exactly. You get it.
Mm-hmm. Uh, yeah, they have one about two. They have one about 2 hours away from us, about 2 hours away or so.
I'm
But
so
yeah,
jealous.
but yeah, I still haven't gone. But I
We
need
would
to
have
go.
to.
I need to
We
go
would have
though.
to like. We would have to make like a trip of it for us.
Yeah, but if I go, I think I'm. If I go, I think I'll stream it live though. When I go, I'll stream it live. I really, I want to check it. You know, probably
Yeah.
stuck. I'll probably be stuck there for hours just looking at things, all the GPUs, CPUs, and yeah. But yeah. I don't know.
You
Uh,
know, that's what's funny though. If I were to go, let's say, to Micro Center, I think I
yeah,
would think it was cool. But then, like 5 minutes into it, I'd probably just be like, "Oh, well, it's another Best Buy, but like way better."
better. Yeah, yeah.
Pretty
Best buy on steroids. Yeah,
much.
yeah.
But then, knowing my personality type, I'd probably go to their. I don't know what they call it there, but like
But
the people who help you build supposedly. You know what I'm talking about? Like the
yeah, yeah. If you
build
need, yeah,
servers area.
yeah, yeah. Where you can build it yourself, you can have somebody help you build. I don't know what they call it though, but yeah.
I feel like we would show them up. I don't know.
Uh, Geeks.
I'm just saying, we've been doing this a long time.
We'll show Geek Squad what's up.
Bingo. Oh my Geek Squad. Oh
Dude,
god.
my buddy Ricardo, he used to work for him. He said they suck, dude. They're this
They do.
they try to rip people off and say stuff that's not even really wrong with their stuff and doing all kinds of other crap, dude. It's like
Yeah,
basically,
exactly.
he said basically like
Exactly.
a big old scam, basically
It is.
crap.
And like
Yeah,
here's part of the problem, right? You end up just hiring people off the street.
random people don't know what they're doing.
They don't know what they're doing. But like
No.
that's not even my issue. My issue is they don't have them at the very least going to a school while they have that job,
Yeah.
right?
No.
Geek, yeah, like a Geek Squad is supposed to be help desk. That's basically what
Yeah.
it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
Um,
Yeah, it's a step to IT. That's the first step you do is a help desk. That's the first step for you get an IT tech. First step you start from the bottom. The bottom is help desk. That's the bottom of the barrel,
yeah,
right? Yeah,
exactly.
yeah,
Right, but it's obviously a corporate equivalent in a like a retail
yeah,
environment, but it's a similar concept. I
yeah.
mean, that's why I laugh so hard because people are like, "Oh, they're so smart," and I'm over here like, it's not that they're dumb. It's just they're making help desk technicians
Look
who
bad.
don't know what they're doing sound like they're gods or goddesses. You know,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
these people, they don't even have an education in
Mm,
this a lot of the time. And
mm,
even when they do, their own corporate policies doesn't let them help you.
yeah.
It's really sad.
Oh yeah, yeah. So yeah, so anybody's, you know what I mean. So you probably don't have to probably don't have to have comp TL or anything, A plus. Probably don't have to nothing. You just go in there. I want to be, you probably have to
You
have
know, and
some kind of knowledge, but not really too much. I guess I don't know.
you
Not
don't
what
have
they
to
do.
have any.
Yeah, not
That's
with
the
them.
problem.
With them,
Yeah,
you should have to because you're working on people's computers and stuff like that, and
exactly.
installing
Like,
software. Say you break something, I'm sure they probably have insurance, but
like I understand if it's like they're working towards their CompTIA A
yeah,
plus or an
yeah,
equivalent
yeah,
while they're doing it, that's very common.
yeah.
But if
That's
they're just never having the intent, then
yeah.
I kind of have a problem with that.
Yeah, yeah. So if, like you said, so if they're working towards it, that's cool. But if you're not work towards your
I can't hear you.
all right, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear
Okay.
you
Oh,
now.
okay. That was my fault 'cause I was backing up. Okay. So what I'm saying is, okay, if you're doing Geek Squad, right? You're doing Comp Tier, right? You're learning. That's fine. Hey, that's cool. You're going somewhere. You know what I mean? You're trying to move up. You know what I mean? So you could get out of
Yeah.
the Geek Squad because you don't want to be there forever. You want to move up. You know what I mean? You want to move up higher. You know what I mean? You just want to move up.
Yes.
You know?
Yeah, you're absolutely right. I mean, and that's the thing though that people don't realize, and it's not really people's fault. Let me start with
No.
that.
Yeah. Yeah.
People, it's how are they supposed to know better? Most people
Right.
don't specialize in that, and that's totally fine. Um, but the problem is, it's really Best Buy's fault.
Yeah.
They're
Best
the
Buy.
ones that are selling it as a it's like some super amazing service that's being given for free. But the truth is, they're salespeople.
Yeah. Yeah. It's got some right now.
They're not even tech support, and that's really sad.
Yeah, it is. Huh?
I mean, have you ever went and got tech support from Best Buy before?
No, I haven't.
Okay. So I had to go do a return because I had a pair of earbuds that didn't work when I lived in Stillwater. Um, and I gave them back to them, and I asked them, "Can we just fix them? Because like they seem pretty cool and they work well and whatnot." All they did was turn around and give me a different pair.
Wow.
That's what I'm saying. Like that's all I ever see them doing.
Here you go.
Is
This
just
is
doing
broke.
an exchange.
That's crazy, dude.
I know, right? Like if I want an exchange, I'm not gonna go to tech support. That's just dumb.
Yeah, that's retarded. I'm doing good. Yeah.
I mean, what if it was a laptop, right? I bought a laptop from them, let's say.
There was no
Do
more.
I just want them to give me another one? Absolutely not.
They need to
I
fix
have
it.
a bunch of data on it. Yeah.
Then you take the data off it, put on a, put in your new laptop, or just take the data off it and put on a USB stick or something.
Right. And I mean, like, you and I know better,
Yeah.
but your average user may not know that. And what ends up happening then, right?
It's just gone.
They just lose it. Yeah, they just lose it.
Yeah, they lose everything. Yeah.
Imagine if you had like corporate secrets on it or something.
Like a ThinkPad.
Right? Like,
a lot of corporate people use ThinkPads. A lot of businesses use ThinkPads.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. like this is kind of thing, right?
Yeah.
Like, yeah, they used to have their own internal IT department.
Yeah.
But most of the time, that's contracted through some company you've never even heard of.
Yeah.
Maybe based over in India, China, somewhere else in the world.
Yeah.
So now you don't have a laptop for 5 days.
Nope. Yep.
Yeah.
That's just crazy. See, that's just crazy.
And the thing is, right? Like the loaners they try to give you are way worse. So.
Oh yeah, yeah.
That's why they go to Best Buy. Yeah.
That's just great. This just blows my mind though. It's like, yeah, that's just crazy.
That's why when people need help, I just give them help.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
Because I know the system's not designed for it. That's why.
Right? Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Well, like when I put AcreetionOS on my buddy's his little computer, I told him what I was doing. I explained to him. I said, well, basically, it's going to wipe out Windows, and basically, you're going to have a new system. And he said, okay, that's fine. So I just let him know he don't have nothing on it anyways. But I'm just letting him know what's happening. so he gets it back, and he says it's pretty snappy. It's quicker. It don't lag. Like I said that's good, man. That's awesome. That's why I want to. That's what I like to hear. He said it's real snappy. And I mean, he said he likes it. So yeah.
I mean, a lot of people, to be honest, their data on their computer, they don't really care about. They keep like paper copies of things.
Yeah.
I know that. But I do both. So
yeah. Oh yeah.
Like, I just actually finished earlier making sure I have GitHub copies of everything I need.
Yeah.
Because I have, in the last like couple of weeks, done a bunch of different things that were not even backed up. So if my server had corruption or something, I would have lost all that.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it'll give me like a notepad or something like that and write stuff down. You know what I mean?
I have a bunch here. Yeah. Whenever Staples Crazy Days, about a month ago, in August.
Uh-huh.
No, wait. No, that was in July. Anyway, crazy days, whatever you call it.
Yeah. I
They
wish
were
that
like
was here.
25 cents a piece
Uh-huh.
for notebooks.
So we bought a whole bunch.
Yeah, I bought a whole bunch. I bought
That's funny.
20.
Dang, big baller over here. Yeah,
Nah, I did because like that'll last me a year, right?
yeah.
Like I just spent $5 on 20. That's fucking awesome.
All right, 20. Yeah. Well, cause I'll usually they like make a document or something like that, and then put what I need in the document and put it on a USB stick. And but yeah, probably should write on paper because if something ever happens to that USB stick and I need something, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I totally get it.
You know,
I really do. Um,
'cause, USB sticks, they're good, but sometimes they're not always reliable. You know what I mean? You say, you know,
it's not so much a reliability issue, it's that it has an expiration date.
yeah. You can only read and write so many times. You know what I mean?
Exactly. I mean, a piece of paper has an expiration date, yes, but if you laminate it because it's that important, it's gonna
Yeah,
last
it'd be a
you
long time.
20 years,
Yeah,
where your USB drive will probably last you 5-ish, if you can make it that long.
yeah.
Yeah.
Well, same thing as
Or
SSD.
yeah.
Same thing as SSD too. They don't have a long life span. Well, they have. It depends. It depends how much you write to it too. You know what I mean? It's just
Yeah, exactly. You get it.
yeah. Yep.
Mm. I'm configuring my audio right now,
Oh,
so
okay.
it
Oh, you're
might cut
good.
out.
Yeah, you're good. Mm. Yeah, so my wife's told me I can't leave this where we're at. I can't leave this area.
Why?
Because I guess we're trying to do something. I was trying to do something or something too. So yeah. So yeah. So
So you're
whatever.
in trouble?
Yeah, well, I can't leave. No, I'm not in trouble. I just can't leave this area. I gotta stay in this little area, this fishing area. I can't go to the other.
Oh, I thought you meant in real life.
No, no, I can't go to a different different little fishing spot or something like that. I can move around as long as I stay in as long as I stay in this area. I can't go on the map and pick a different fishing spot.
I got you.
Yeah,
I got you. I got you.
that's all right. Though. I'm not worried about it. So 420. Yeah.
Dip, dip, dip.
Are you fixing your audio or what?
Yeah, right now.
All right.
I keep having that ear thing that we talked
Uh.
about yesterday.
Yeah. Oh yeah
It
yeah
has
yeah.
to do with audio channels, and I know that much. So, because what's happening, I'm pretty sure, is it is going from mono to stereo when it shouldn't be.
Oh yeah, gotcha. You go on your control setting, your volume control settings.
It's not in there because of this
Oh,
audio interface.
I
I have to
gotcha.
go like deep in the configs.
Gotcha.
Yep.
I don't know. Mine don't take software, so I kind of get you, but I kind of don't. You know what I mean? I kind of.
Doesn't take software
Oh,
really. It's
okay.
just configuration.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. This one is a 96 kilohertz microphone,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So I have to adjust it because by default Linux uses 48.
48. Okay, I gotcha.
Yeah, it's that and the pressure they use and everything else associated with it.
The polar pattern too and stuff, or what?
That too, yeah.
Yeah.
There's also
A lot of play effects,
I
huh?
need yeah. I also need to get a USB add-on card to put in this
Yeah.
because this had a cap of 2.0 on this
Mhm.
machine.
Okay.
So I need to put in an add-on card so I can put 3.0, right? Because
Yeah.
the PCIe bus will let me do 3.0
Okay.
speeds.
You just gotta get that card. Oh shit, that was bad. I am doing pretty good, pretty good. How are you doing? Come on, fish. I'll be right back. Shit. All right. Come on, fish. Do, 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 do. Let's see what I got to do. Let's see. Who am I? I haven't looked at. I still have a lot left. All right, let's see. Check it out. I see. Go fish somewhere else. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Man, there's not. Well, that's stupid. Oh well. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see what poles I have. Back grab. Oh, wow. Come on, come on. Right there. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, thanks. All right, let's see. I need some water, guys. I'll be right back. Sorry about that. I will be right back. All right. So how do I feed the cats? I seen the. Oh, the cat's over here, right? On the dock, right? Is it a black cat? Oh, it's on the. Oh, okay, it's on the dock. All right, hold on. Oh, yeah, feed the. I didn't know there was cats on here. I think the cat's right here. Hold on.
Turn around. E.
Okay.
Okay, you already fed him. Now you gotta go find another one. Pull up the map. No, you're in map. No.
There.
No, go get back into the game.
Oh.
Now you gotta walk around looking for cats.
Oh, okay. I gotta look for cats. Okay. So they're around the area.
Yeah.
Okay, I got you.
If you can't find them, then you pull up your map.
Uh huh.
Pull up M.
Okay.
And then I think the yellows are the cat. So that's
There's a lot of cats.
5 of them.
5 cats. Oh, it's just. It looks like. It looks like. It
You
looks
have
like.
to see the fish that you've already caught.
Oh, yeah.
Now you gotta go find all the cats to see if they want them.
Oh, I didn't know this had. I didn't know this game had cats in it.
No, it's just this event.
Oh, it's the event. Okay. All right. Oh, it looks like. Where's
So
what the hell? This cat needs a boat.
that one's a red cat. Yeah.
Oh, do I have my boat? Okay.
You gotta. So that's
The
what
mission?
you're doing. Yeah, you're looking for what to get out of them. So all these cats are here. You're looking for a black and white cat, a black cat, a red cat.
Okay, so basically all the cats look like they're like around the shore. They're around like. So I just gotta walk around this whole stupid thing, then, right? Okay. They're not like way up here, right? Yeah, I just fed them already. guess I gotta feed cats now. Yeah, they're probably around.
What? Oh. Nope. He's the hard one. He
Okay.
doesn't want anything that you have.
Oh. No, I don't see no cats. Where? All right. Okay, it's black and white in the corner. Let me know when you see a cat. Oh, about his cat earlier.
Yeah.
No.
No, you have to catch a silver fish.
Oh, okay.
And then there's the black cat. I don't know where the black cat's at.
Okay. So I gotta catch a silver fish.
Keep going that way.
All right. So we have to feed all the cats?
So, no, the two cats that are left, you have to catch a silverfish.
Yeah.
To catch what's in here.
Ahoy!
There's the black cat. I want the tasty whisker fish handed over. He wants a catfish.
Nice.
Or a cat. So continue fishing.
Okay. All right. Gotcha. Man, I didn't know this game has cats in it. Wow. Gotta catch certain fish, I guess, for the cats. All right, let's go get some fish for the cats. Let's go get the fish for the cats. Hopefully, everybody's having a great day. Thank you very much for watching. I catch a silverfish and a catfish. Let's get this going. Let me see what the silverfish and the catfish like. Hold on. I'm gonna set my poles up for it. Okay, so I need a. Okay, so I'm good. Okay, now we got.
He wants any silver. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So red worms are good. I got red worms already. And bloodworms.
In this.
Okay, so where's the other fish that we gotta catch? This catfish?
Something with whiskers. It said.
I have a catfish.
Yeah. Do they have one on there?
I don't know. I'm looking. No, I don't see a catfish. Only the one.
Keep going. Probably this one.
This one? Oh yeah.
Maggots, bloodworms, redworms, night crawlers. So all the worms.
Okay, so red worms would be fine then. Okay, I'll stick with the red worms then. I know. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I was chill and wait then. Chillax and wait. All right. I just chill and wait. What's going on? Oh, it didn't work. Yeah, I'm here. Did it work or no? Let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, fishy. Do, 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 do. I'm guessing did not work. Hold on. Let me see why. You think it's because I'm on Discord, maybe? All right, can you hear me now? Hello, hello, hello. Mic check, mic check, mic check. Can anybody hear me? Let me know. Let me know, let me know, let me know. Let me know, let me know, let me know. Can anybody hear me on YouTube? Can you hear me on YouTube? You can't hear me. Hold on. What the hell? Let's see. Hello, hello, hello. Can anybody hear me? Darren, can you hear me? Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, hello. Meter's going up. Hello, everybody. How's everybody doing today? Hopefully, everybody can hear me loud and clear. I checked my phone. I can hear myself just fine. Check your volume. Yeah, I checked on the phone. I can hear this fine. Yeah, I can hear this fine on the. So I checked my phone on YouTube and it works just fine. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. You know. Yeah. So Darren, it's on your end, buddy. Fix it. Turn the volume up. Put your hearing aids in. Yeah. So what's going on with your your microphone? Mic check, microphone. I know. I like messing with him. He's a good guy. Um, yeah, yeah. Check your settings, Darren. Maybe that's why. Okay, cool. Damn it. Gotcha. Glad your microphone works. All right, well, let me get back in the Discord. Hold on. Let me jump back over here. All right.
I was hoping Dad, 1 second.
Oh, you're good. You're good.
Let me. Okay.
All right. Yeah.
Oh my God, I'm hearing two of you. Why am I hearing two of you? Because I was watching the stream at the same time. Oh my God.
Oh, yeah. I had to go feed cats earlier. I guess there's this mission has cats you got to feed. I guess you got to catch certain fish.
Oh,
So. Yeah, that's what my wife was
I,
telling
I,
me.
I was trying to figure out why you were talking about cats. I was a little confused. Yeah.
Oh, that's good. That's good. You solved the problem. Turn the volume up. That's nice. Good job. Yeah,
Oh,
I lost it. No, but yeah, cause my wife's like, yeah, this mission you gotta feed cats and you gotta catch the fish that they want. So I was like, okay, I guess.
one of these days I want to watch you play the truck simulator game again.
Yeah, well,
I love it when you play that.
yeah. No, I already downloaded it yesterday. That's got a friend. I found my controller. I just got to find the charger so I can charge it.
You're good, no worries. Do you use? I'm just curious because I'm assuming it's either an Xbox controller or something similar.
Yeah, similar. Yeah, what happened?
No, go ahead. Just finish saying what you were saying.
It's MSI, but it looks like an Xbox controller basically. It reads like the Xbox 360 controller. Basically.
Okay, so it uses the same driver and everything.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, if the battery module area is the same, something that we did growing up with our Xbox because we had Xbox 360 controllers, but I know this works for Xbox Ones too. There's little like battery thingies you can get.
Mhm.
They're rechargeable, right? But they're not normal rechargeable batteries. They fit the exact size of the back of an Xbox controller.
Oh, okay. Like a battery pack?
Yeah, they're like a battery pack, pretty much. I'll send you a link to one in a DM.
Okay.
And so you can look at it later. A lot of people just do double A's. That's what we did growing. That's what we did for the longest time. We only got the rechargeable ones because, well, it got kind of expensive having to buy batteries over and over again.
Yeah. Well, my controller it don't take regular batteries. You charge it. You put it in the C type and you charge it. But I just don't know where the wire is for it. That's my thing.
Oh, so it has a built-in battery. It's not a replaceable battery.
No.
Okay. Yeah, never mind then.
Good thinking though. Good trying to help out.
Yeah, because these were the I just sent it to you in DMs. That's what we had, just something kind of like that.
Xbox still does battery? That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
It makes sense though, right? Because an Xbox controller you can hook up to any version of an Xbox.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe you're going to a friend's house and you need to go over there, right? But they only have one cable for their stuff. Now you can carry around a portable battery. It's cool. I love it.
That is cool. That sounds pretty cool.
Yeah. But how's the fishing going?
Oh, I guess it's going. I'm just sitting here waiting to try to catch a fish.
Yeah.
Yeah. Trying.
I wonder is Dad still there? I wonder if Dad's still there.
No, he said he turned his volume up.
He did, but I wonder if he's still there.
Yeah, I don't know.
Because it says there's one viewer and I'm on the stream, so makes me wonder.
Yeah. Hey, Violet.
He probably just jumped in to say hi.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Yeah, so it was his volume the whole time.
It was, yeah.
That's funny. That's pretty funny.
You need to turn up your audio.
My audio's all the way up. Yeah. So do you like so your interface that you have? Do you like it or what?
Yeah, it's all right. The problem is going higher than this gets really expensive.
Yeah.
Because this is like the upper area of the budget, right? Of the budget side.
Yeah.
According to Iran, America has been defeated.
That's funny.
And they are going to pay for the rebuilding of Iran 100%. And they have surrendered to Iran. We are not ruled by Iran.
That's funny. Yeah. What I was saying though.
I caught a common fish. I don't know. I caught a fish.
You're good. You're good.
Common
you're
fish.
good.
No. Okay. How much? How much did you pay for your interface?
It was. mm, This one was $150, but I
See-
got it on sale for $129.
Huh?
Keep it.
Okay.
You just fish and catch it. A little bit with some biscuit.
Okay. Like my soundboard, I pay like 130 for my sound. The soundboard that I have, I pay like 130 for it.
Yeah.
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 What the fuck?
You know, because I would love to jump up from this one,
Yeah.
from this interface. The problem is the next one up is like $350, and the one that I want
Oh,
in
okay.
particular.
Okay, it's the
Yeah,
one
it's
you
not-
want. Okay, I got you.
It's the one I would want to save
Yeah.
up for.
Yeah. Was it like
'cause
is it like a Mackie or something or what is it?
Yeah, it is. It's a Mackie.
No, there's nothing. No, there's nothing wrong with Mackie. My buddy has a Mackie. He's a DJ and he has a 10 channel or something like that. Mackie. They're pretty good. They're pretty good soundboards.
Yeah, because like my other thing though too is like space, to be honest, and that's kind
Yeah.
of a sad thing to say. Because like it really is, right? Because
Yeah.
if I had more space, I could have decked out this bedroom and audio equipment, but
Yeah.
like there's not enough room to do
Yeah.
that. 'Cause I
Yeah.
know where to get like that type of stuff secondhand pretty cheap. That's not the issue. It's
Yeah.
about physical space.
Yeah. It's just having the space.
Yeah, because honestly, what I would love to do, you're gonna laugh at me. I want to get a set of tubes. You know what I'm talking about?
Like no, I don't know.
Okay, give me a minute. I'll send you a picture. Um,
Well, they even sell stuff too. You could put your soundboard on top of too, and it takes it don't take a lot of space up.
right. Give me just a minute though. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about.
right.
I apparently you can't buy tubes anymore. But I would probably get one of these, to be honest. But this is what I was specifically talking about.
Let me see. Oh, okay. So, okay.
Yeah,
Tube works. Okay. It's like an amplifier, isn't it?
it is. It's an amplifier. Yes.
Yeah, it's just a brand. Okay, I got you. I see.
Yeah.
I got you. It's just a
Yeah,
brand.
they're pretty good. And they don't tend to come with the same cost as a lot
Right.
of the other ones.
Yeah.
There's a lot of it. You learn that kind of stuff. But there was one time I was looking. There's some open source project. It's on GitHub because I specifically remember reading it. Basically, they tell you how to build your entire own ecosystem of audio equipment for like $600.
Yeah.
Yeah, like it's so cool, and like it's all really good. And the way they are able to do it is they found not the original one secondhand,
Yeah.
but you know how China has this whole thing of they grab the original, they open it up, they find out how it works, and then they copy it
Yeah. Basically, yeah.
identically. Yeah, because there's some of those, and that's one of those industries that they do that in.
Right.
And it's just like how there's mice, right? In the mice industry, they do the same thing.
Yeah. So.
Yeah,
So yeah. What? Yeah.
yeah. I would love to do that, but again, $600 is still a lot of money.
Yeah. Because what happens if you mess up or something? I'm just saying.
Right,
say
exactly.
something bad happens. They go 600 down the drain.
And like exactly, because like you can't mess up anything or you
No.
mess it all up.
No.
Yeah.
Mm.
And no worries. Also, like, who can afford just to go blow $600 right now?
Yeah.
I don't think anyone.
But yeah. Mm.
Yeah, no, I mean, like, it's pretty cool.
But if you get a new soundboard, are you gonna get a new mic too? Then, if you're gonna do a new soundboard,
no. I love this
You
microphone.
keep saying one.
It sounds great. My issue when I have audio issues is a user error problem. It's not the hardware.
Yeah, it's the person that's using the microphone.
It's me. Yeah, it's me. Absolutely.
Yeah.
It's because you're talking to the world's biggest dumbass. Oh,
Okay, so did you your interface that you have? Can you like tune it and stuff like that? Like, did you go like on? Did you go like did you go on the internet and find out how you tune it with your microphone like real good?
on Windows you can. On Mac OS you can.
On Linux you can't. I'm guessing, right?
On Linux you can't. Yeah,
Oh,
it's because it
gotcha.
uses the Persona-based driver they
yeah.
use, the
Yeah.
custom processing driver they use. But when we on Linux, you do obviously push it through Pipewire.
Yeah.
I could, I guess, theoretically do it, but I would have to do it a couple of different ways. I could do it through a DAW, right? Of course.
Yeah. Yep.
Or I could do it through Jack.
Jack, yeah, I know
Jack,
Jack. Yeah. I heard Jack's
yeah,
hard to
you
use.
know what Jack is.
I heard Jack's. Yeah, I tried to use Jack a long time ago.
It's not so much that Jack is hard to use because I've actually configured it before.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's not that it's hard to use; it's that it's a lot to keep up with.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Because you have to manually start the server every boot,
Every time. Yeah.
and then you have to go make
Configure-
sure the configuration's proper.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's just, yeah, it's not worth the effort, to be
Right.
honest.
Right.
It's not, and
No.
yeah,
no,
it's just not.
No, I agree with you.
I mean,
I
I
agree.
suppose I could set up Jack to where like it's set up with a system D service every boot, but
Yeah.
and it's just essentially running a script.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I'm gonna send you something.
Okay.
So do you know what the Pixar PAW3395 is?
No.
It's a mouse sensor. Give me a second.
Oh, so it's a mouse sensor, you said?
It's a mouse sensor. Yeah. I'll explain something in just a second. My coffee is not that great this time.
No.
No. I didn't do a very good job.
Dang.
And I'm kind of mad at myself. You got to drink it, right? You can't waste coffee.
Nope.
So, you know what the Razer Viper V2 Pro is, right?
The mouse, right?
Because a mouse. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
a mouse
yeah,
from
yeah.
Razer. It's one of their
Yeah.
nicer ones. The Logitech G Pro X you've probably
Yeah.
heard of.
Yep. Uh-huh.
Yeah. There is a company called ATK.
Uh-huh.
They use that exact same sensor in their mouse.
As the Razors do?
Yeah. No, as a higher end mice do. It's the same sensor.
Okay.
Identical. The only difference is nothing. There is no difference. It's a legitimate sensor.
Yeah. Damn.
But the difference though is the cost. The ATK VXE, which is called the Dragonfly R1, it's a $50 mouse. The other ones that I was talking about, the Razer Viper V2 Pro and the Logitech G Pro X, they're $150 and $160.
Okay, what makes those mouse so special?
They don't.
Yeah, it's one.
It's the name.
Yeah, but two. Yeah, I understand. I know it's the name. It's the name brand. I understand that part. But two, is it light though? Is it like real light and not so heavy, or I don't know.
So yeah, the two I was talking about, the Razer and the Logitech ones, those
Yeah.
are known as light mice. Yes, you're correct. The ATK VXE is about the same weight. The only
Yeah.
difference is whenever you hold it,
Mhm.
they're using the same body build that
Yeah.
Logitech does on
Yeah.
most of their mice. Right? So like then they also use a Bluetooth receiver, like just a generic old
Yeah.
Bluetooth receiver.
Yeah.
That's 2.4 gigahertz, whereas the other ones they tend to go with better receivers.
Right.
Again, you're using the same sensor as the others.
Yeah, it's all the same.
And
It's all the same,
yeah,
basically.
most of it's the same. The only difference is they're using a generic Bluetooth receiver when the others are using a proprietary based one.
Yeah.
That's it. That's the only difference.
Wow, that's crazy.
Yeah, like they use a clamshell design for the mouse, right? For you to hold. Like it's not
Yeah.
super ergonomic, but like that's how they cut the cost to make it better.
Right.
Like that's
Yeah. They're cutting
and
corners.
yeah, that's how they cut the corner. That's
Yep.
the only major one that they cut.
And just that one right there, huh?
Just that one. That's it.
Dang. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Wow.
Again, though, you're right. Yeah, no, Logitech and Razer, you pay an absurd.
Oh, what that other cost is. Yeah.
Yeah, because of the name, right? Like
Yes.
it's the status of the brand.
Yeah, it's the name. It's the name brand. It's the same thing. Okay, you go buy Nikes, but here, okay, you go buy Nikes, right? Those shoes, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and say you go buy Pro Wings, right? They don't think they even sell those no more. Okay,
Mhm.
they're shoes, right? You're just paying for the name brand, what the brand is. It's all the same thing. It's a shoe. You wear it, you walk, you know, same thing. A shoe's a shoe.
Yeah, exactly. And it's funny.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, no, like they're even like you can even go look at some of these mice, and then you go look at the major ODMs. So like the companies that mass produce for companies
Yeah.
like Logitech, right? Like they
Yeah.
don't actually design anything these days. They just
No.
they would just contract out to a Chinese supplier and let them handle it all.
Yeah.
All they do these days.
Oh yeah.
Sometimes they have certain requirements they want, but they just tell them the requirements, they handle it. And that's how it goes. What's funny is by doing that too, you can find the identical thing
Same thing.
with
Cheaper.
even no. What's even funny though is some of these mass producing ODMs, right?
Mhm.
Because they just do them in large stock with and put a name on it.
Yeah.
Sometimes they'll send you the same one with the same brand name as the original.
No, yeah.
Like let's say you have a Samsung SSD that you would normally buy, but the ODM is marketing it as something else. Sometimes they'll send you the Samsung SSD version of it.
Yeah.
Just because that's what they have available.
That's what, yeah, it's just whatever they have available right there and then.
Yeah, it's funny to me.
That's just crazy. But
Yeah.
whatever though. You know what I mean?
Yeah, exactly. I mean, the reason why I was mentioning it though was because earlier this month I had bought the ATK one.
Yeah.
And it's been on its way since. So that's the only downside, is it takes a while.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how you like? So how you liking the new USB? Have you used it yet or no?
The new what?
The USB?
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
it works totally fine.
Okay, cool.
I mean, obviously, I'm not able to saturate what it
Yeah.
does because I don't have 3.0 on the server. But
Yeah.
for what it's been doing, it's doing totally fine.
That's
I
good.
just have to get a 3.0 add-on card like you were talking about earlier.
Yeah. Yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Yeah, that sucks.
No, that's not a big deal. I mean, here's the thing though, right? Even some modern servers don't put 3.0 on. And the reason why has to do with the way it's designed.
Yeah, it's too fast too, right? Oh, it's not. Well, it's the controller, right?
Oh, okay. It actually has to do with the protocol it talks over. So you have two designs, right? You have one called XHCI and one called EHCI in terms of architecture design. The thing is, yes, EHCI, which is what 3.0 and higher tend to use,
Yeah.
is faster, but it's also a shit ton noisier.
Yeah.
So whenever you're using a terminal console and like a corporate setting,
Yeah.
right?
Uh-huh.
You want to have clear text because the usually it's a frame buffer chip and not even a real GPU in the machine. So you're outputting using that. But if you are using a noisy interface, now it's going to be difficult to read what you're interfacing with. Because the chip is so weak inside the server that if you have a noisy signal, it's not going to display properly.
Right.
Yeah, because those usually plug in the back of the server using a USB 2.0 port. That's the same reason why if you ever flash a phone using fastboot, it will blatantly tell you you need to switch ports.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you're trying to use a 3.0, it's just not a stable enough connection.
Well, cause I like the 2.0s that they're slower, but you have a better chance to receive, accomplishing what you're
Receive the
trying to
data.
do. Yeah, and accomplishing what you, because if you get like a, like a 3.0 or 3.1, you try to do, try to do something with that, and it's not convenient because it's too quick. It's like basically it's like overclocking it, basically. You know what I mean?
It's not really so much overclocking it; it's more so caching.
Caching.
Think of
Okay.
it that way. Yeah.
Yeah.
So like it's almost like it's caching it in principle
Mhm.
on a 3.0. That's how they speed it up. But the thing is, again, with that, there's drawbacks. Um, it's just think about it's kind of like this, right? So there's a thing on Linux where you can move files and whatnot into RAM and use it as a RAM disk, right?
Yeah.
That's effectively what you're doing with a thumb drive.
Yeah.
That's 3.0. That's pretty much what you do. Yeah, that's why. If you're, I mean, that's the thing though, too, though, with a thumb drive, though, right? The
Mhm.
reality too is because of the 2.0 interface being slower, and it doesn't hit as hard when it writes. Those tend to last longer too.
Oh yeah, well yeah, 'cause like I said, like I was talking about earlier, the more you write on like a SSD or M.2 drive, if you write it so many times, it's going to die.
Yeah, exactly. Because it's
Because
flash memory.
yeah, 'cause it has a life. You know what I mean?
Yeah, and like that's the thing though, and that's what blows my mind about modern enterprise too. Actually, they've switched everything over usually to U.2, M.2, or there's
Yeah.
a few different kinds of new memory that
Well,
they're using,
yeah.
but it's
Well,
all flash based.
yeah. Well, they even have the M keys too, don't they?
They do, yeah.
Yeah.
And here's the thing though that I don't like about the fact that they're doing only flash now. Right? You were talking about they have limited write cycles.
Yeah.
That's correct.
Yes. Yeah.
But then there's a few other sides to that too, right? Okay, how do I put it? The longer you use flash memory, the worse performance you will have. That's just part of wear and
Yeah.
tear
Well, it's warranty.
because
Yeah.
it's based on a PCB.
Yep.
Whereas if you have mechanical drives, like
Yeah.
a hard drive, like an
Yeah.
enterprise grade hard drive, which is using helium, not normal
Yeah.
oxygen. Let me
Yeah.
start with that. It'll last you a lot longer, usually about 10 years versus like the 4. But the flash memory one does.
Yeah.
But there's the thing, right? You have to choose. You get either the speed or you get the longevity. For
Yeah.
somebody like me, I would want the longevity, right? 'Cause
yeah.
I
Oh,
don't
yeah.
want to have to buy it. But if
Later
you're
on down the
Red
line.
Hat or Microsoft over here, you're the one advertising that you have these speeds and blah blah blah. You're contracted with other companies for speed. That is your
Yeah.
product.
Yeah.
That's
Yep.
the big difference. Yeah.
Yeah.
It has to market, nothing about
Yeah.
it.
That's just all marketing. Well, like on my board, all my stuff's the 3.0. I think on all my USB ports are all blue. Besides, I have a 3 gig one. It's I think it's orange. Yeah, I think it's orange.
Yeah, I mean, like that's the whole thing, right? Like that's why I will never get rid of hard drives, not until they're starting to have enough bad sectors, right?
Yeah.
And that's the thing. Like, I know a lot of people out there will be like, oh, I need the fastest, the fastest, the fastest.
I have hard drive. I have four hard
Right,
drives. I have
right.
4.
And like, I look at them and I go, why do you need it?
Yeah.
And then they look at me and go, because it's fast. And I'm like, so what are you doing that needs it? Yeah, that's what I ask. Like you're doing video editing, that's one thing. That's a great example when you do need fast, either a ton of memory and you store it in memory or faster drives, because writing to any drive is going to always be slower than memory. Just it's the way it's designed.
Oh yeah, of course.
Yeah. So yeah.
Yeah, it's just because spinning hard. I think they're still kind of cheap. I think too, aren't they? The spinning hard drives.
I really don't know. I could look. I'm gonna look right now. Now I'm curious. Because you would probably get them from a refurbisher right now.
Yeah.
To be honest. This is the one I tend to go to.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're fairly cheap. No, they're not. Never
Oh.
mind.
Like I got yeah, I got two 2.5 laptop drives. I got two regular 3.5 hard drives. But yeah.
Oh, okay. This is just something.
What?
The answer is yes and no that they're cheap. Okay. Oh,
Let me see. Let's see.
refurbed high-end drive are cheap per terabyte. Refurbed low-end drives, meaning like 2 terabytes,
Yeah.
4 terabytes, are expensive as fuck.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's ridiculous.
That's crazy.
Yeah, like
Alright.
they're trying to charge. Here's an example. Okay,
Okay.
we're on this is a 14 terabyte Toshiba MG series drive, right?
Yeah.
$330.
Damn.
But then you go to, let's say, a Seagate Exos X18. It's $579 for 18 terabytes, which still isn't terrible, but
Yeah.
that's a lot just for
Yeah.
18 terabytes,
Yeah.
right?
A lot of money.
But then it is. But then I go up here. Now we're talking about 28 terabytes and it's $750.
Yeah.
Yes, that seems like a lot of money, but when you break it down compared to the other costs,
Yeah.
that's not as much per terabyte, right? And that's the whole thing. Like, this is actually how the industry is supposed to be. It just shouldn't be inflated this high.
No. That's real bad.
I mean, like, that was just on a refurbisher site. I'm going to
shit.
Amazon now.
Oh shit.
Yeah,
I don't
that's the
even-
problem.
Oh shit. Yeah. Or if you need a hard drive that bad, just go to the thrift store and go.
Honestly, yeah. Go to your local place that everybody
store.
has.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And just buy a tower and rip it out, or even the cable boxes have storage in them too.
Or you're lucky enough to have those hole in the wall places nearby, and
Yeah.
you just happen to know about, and you go there and be like, I need this. They can't guarantee they're great drives, but
hey, if you need them for storage, hey, that's probably the cheapest route you could go. You know what I mean?
yeah, but yeah, even then though, now they are kind of taking advantage of that too. But again, I don't really blame them. If I was in their position, I would.
Or just even go to the recycle electronics shop, where they recycle electronic stuff, and see if you can buy a couple hard drives off them or something. You know what I mean? I don't know.
Yeah, exactly. That's a great way to do it too, right? Because
they're going.
Yeah, they tend to refurb them. So
probably be dirt cheap.
Like yeah, exactly. Like, you just got to be resourceful. That's it.
Yeah, of course. Oh yeah. Did you on Amazon and find out or what?
I did. I looked. It's not actually better on Amazon.
No.
It's worse.
Oh shit! I kind of figured that.
Yeah, but I know it's just like, come on.
Be nice.
That's just sad. Okay, if it's sad.
Well,
it makes my heart hurt.
Well, it just sucks. Like that's just crazy though. When you before you get an M.2 drive for about $40 for a terabyte, but now it's like they're like almost like $200-300 for like this. That's outrageous. That's just crazy.
Like, why exactly?
Yeah. Well, I understand why. I know why, but still, it's not the point. It's the point is they shouldn't be doing that. They shouldn't be doing that because it messes it up for everybody else. Cause there's nobody in their right mind going to spend a couple $100 on a terabyte.
I know exactly. It just, yeah, you just don't. People can't afford that. That's just the truth.
Even if I could, no.
I still wouldn't.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Because if you get it for cheap, if you used to get it for like $30-40, not like two something, why you gonna go? Come on now.
Exactly. Like, why? What's the point?
Well, even like the 500, even like the 500, the M.2 500, the 500 gigs are going for like 50, $60, even higher. It just depends, the brand wise. You know what I mean? It just all depends.
And that's honestly what kind of makes me angry is that doing all this stuff with branding now, right?
Yeah.
And I'm over here like, because, okay, the reason why it makes me mad in the sense of I know where this stuff is coming from is because, and I know they're screwing people over.
What's up? What's up?
Sometimes I wish I didn't know that stuff,
Yeah. Yeah.
Like, legitimately, it makes me angry because I'm over here like, I know for a fact it costs you pennies to make that.
Yeah.
$2, $3. But then you
Right.
turn around and you charge 600. That's a 200%
Yeah.
fucking markup. No, wait,
Yeah.
whoa, that's not 200. I did that wrong. Oh my god, I'd have to do that on a calculator.
Yeah, that's
Give me
just
a minute.
crazy. All right. Yeah, welcome to chat, everybody. Thank you. But yeah, that's just crazy though, man.
Oh,
Hopefully, everybody's having a good day today. What's going on, No View?
yeah, that's a 20,000% markup.
Yeah. Yeah, dude.
That makes me angry, and now
Well,
like,
it's
come on.
like, yeah, it's like, dang, dude. Well,
Like,
well,
come on.
I think I think Monday I might go to a thrift store and they carry a lot of electronic stuff. So I'm gonna check that out and see what I could probably try to rip apart and see what they have over there. Because my buddy, he bought he bought a laptop from over there. He's had to buy the battery and the charger for a couple bucks, and that's it. He said it works just fine. But he said there's a lot of electronic stuff over there, like computer stuff. I'm gonna go check it out. I'll see if my wife wants to go check it out Monday.
Yeah,
and
you
stuff.
totally should. I mean,
Yeah.
hey, if somebody hasn't already looted it now, you should take advantage.
Yeah, because of the situation, what's going on.
Yeah, like for real. Like,
Well, I got yeah. Yeah, yeah. Well, I got hard drives and stuff like that, but I need more stuff. You know what I mean? Fuck you. You hear me? I need
Oh
more
my
stuff.
God.
I need more stuff. Damn it.
You have a problem.
Yeah, I do. Well, my wife says I have a problem too because like in her closet, nothing but my computer boxes. Because after I build computers, I save all my boxes, dude. They're like
I
stacked,
know.
like stacked up and stuff like that. But I gotta buy a power supply though. I got a power supply.
Why?
So I can fix my B450. I have a B450 board.
Oh, if you're gonna do that, don't go to a recycler or something.
No,
like
no,
that,
I'm buying one offline.
buy it open box.
Yeah.
Yeah, because they actually verify things are working if you buy it open box.
Yeah.
Because right? Yeah, because literally all it means is they open the box.
Yeah, that's it. Well, because I was thinking.
That's it. It's not even used.
Yeah, well, because what I was thinking, with that one, I want to do my well, cause right now, I had all my jellyfin stuff on, on my main computer, but I, get tired of leaving it all the time. But I want I want to make a dedicated one. You know what I mean? But put 3-4 drives in it. Just put all movies on and stuff like that. You know what I mean? Just to
Yeah,
have
exactly.
and put it in the closet. So if something happens to my computer, the jellyfin server will be fine. Everybody can still watch movies. But see, when something happens to my computer and my computer goes down, what happens? No jellyfin server. You see? See how that works?
Yeah, I totally get it. Yeah.
You see how that works? Yeah. So that's my plan.
Yeah.
That's my plan next year, because I still gotta say I still have to flash the BIOS flashback because it's reading VGA. And I gotta get a CPU for it too, but it's a little cheap, 3600 for like $80 maybe or something like that.
Honestly, if you wanted, I don't know how sketchy this is, but what you could do is you could call AMD and be like, "Hey, I need to flash my BIOS," and they'll send you a free CPU. It's not gonna be a good one. It'll be really trashy, but they'll send you one that works.
Oh, what? You serious?
It's usually like 1 core and 2 threads.
Oh, that's fine. Well,
Yeah, it's like if all it's doing is transcoding.
Yeah. Well,
That should be enough.
But
Yeah.
see, I still have my other board too, my little micro ATX board, my MSI one, my little one. I still have that with the AMD Athlon 2 times. I still have that one too. I can get that one going too.
Yeah, no, like blatantly, yeah, no, they'll send them to you. It's because of people who have boards that don't have flashback.
Yeah,
That's why.
yeah. Okay, I got you. Yeah, yeah. Mine does, but yeah, mine does, but yeah.
They don't even know that.
Yeah, I know they don't. No, they don't. But yeah, that's sometime next year though. That's my plan. Try to get something going. But yeah,
Yeah, you totally should. Just don't
and
don't
put
blow
it.
up too much on it.
No, I'm not. I'm putting it in the closet. Well,
Yeah.
if I wanted to, like I said, I have one power supply. I could get it going right now if I wanted to. But yeah,
Then you should.
yeah. Well, that
Don't
one.
spend the extra money.
Yeah, that. Well, yeah, yeah. Well, 60 RAM should be good for it. For the movies. And
wait,
stuff.
whoa! It's only a jellyfin server,
Yeah. Well, that's all I got.
dude. You could do that with 4.
Well, I have 16 gigs. I can't help it.
Yeah. So put it in, man. Dude, just sign it up. You have all the stuff.
Yeah, I know.
No, you don't need anything else for it. You stop.
I just want more RAM. No. But yeah. Yeah. I just got my. Yeah. I gotta. Well, see, what's funny though? Okay. My board that my new board that I got, right?
Yeah.
Guess what Ethernet port it has on it? It has
2.5.
No, it has a 10 gig Ethernet, which it will go down to which will go down to 2.5. So what I was thinking, I put the other my other 2.5 card in the Jellyfin server and hook an Ethernet cord up to that.
Yeah.
You know what I
Go
mean?
for it.
Yeah.
You totally should.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, like that makes sense.
Yeah.
I mean, because like here's the thing too, right? Like because you're only on a LAN, that actually makes it so much better for you because now you're not limited by external services, right?
Yeah.
Out on the internet.
Yeah.
It's like our Jellyfin server is actually limited a little bit by our DNS provider, which is
Yeah.
Cloudflare, right?
Yeah.
So that actually makes it not as fast. But if we use our local LAN IP, it flies.
And Blaze, yeah.
But the thing, yeah, because it's physically less distance.
Yeah.
But yeah, no. So like, if you're going, let's say from this computer that you're talking about, 2.5 to 10, to be honest, you're never gonna see a difference on either. And the reason why is because video decoding, right? With how heavily compressed a TV show is or a movie is,
Yeah.
you're not gonna see a difference. You just won't. You just won't. And that's okay. You might see an improvement in latency though.
Yeah.
But that's usually based on the NIC, what
The NIC
NIC's way they've set it up and the drivers,
Yeah.
not so much on the speed.
Yeah.
But yeah, if you were editing your own videos though, like through that would work great. Or if you're using it as a NAS,
NAS, yeah.
that would help a
NAS
lot
server?
too. Yeah, I'm not saying an actual NAS. I'm just saying like hook up your hard drives to it and put it on the network, and now it's a NAS.
Yeah. NAS.
Right?
Yeah. I got all
Yeah.
this, I got all this stuff. I just gotta figure. Yeah. I got all this stuff.
Yeah. If you're not worried about electric bills, you should totally do it.
I don't give a fuck. My bill's high as it is anyway, so it don't really matter. It's not gonna get no lower. But yeah. And
Then you totally should.
then I can just dump it, just throw it in the closet and call it good. Yeah. Sounds like a plan. Yeah.
That's if your wife's willing to let you do that.
Yeah, she'll let me do it. She doesn't want. Yeah, she'll let me do it. Well, cause I have the jellyfin apps on my TVs and stuff.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
we have them on our computers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's make the mini ITX one, the MSI one. Let's make that the jellyfin server because I have the apps like on both of the TVs.
Oh, how are you running Jellyfin? Are you doing the Docker container, the Arch package, Ubuntu package? What are you doing? Snap.
What was I think. Fuck it. Not the, no, was it? No, I think it's I think it was the flat pack. I think.
There is no.
Not
I
flat.
don't
No,
think
no,
there's a jellyfin
no,
server flat
no,
pack.
no, 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 no. No, I went to the Pamax store and got it.
Oh, then you pulled it out of the AUR.
Yeah, they
Yeah.
are. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's the AUR package. It doesn't
Yeah.
matter either way. I was just curious because the maintenance is a little different for each.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like it's all the same software. It's just packaged in a different way.
Wait, yeah.
Oh,
Why you guys use
yeah,
Docker containers or what?
networking's different.
Yeah.
I know you can. We use. I believe Dad has it directly on his system.
Yeah.
Yeah, because he has to recompile it. There
Yeah.
is a Docker container you can use. But again, the networking configuration is a little bit more
Different,
difficult because what you have to do is you have to have a port on the system side and a port on the Docker container side to talk to
yeah.
each other.
Yeah. Like
Yeah, because that's how you interface. It's like it's almost two separate systems in that regard.
yeah.
Yeah, but they're all sharing the same resources. So
Yes, and
Yeah.
it's all local. It's not. I'm not going out. I'm not going. You know. It's all, I don't go nowhere, so I don't need to make it go outward anywhere. You know. It's all local, anyways.
right, because usually you only use Docker for two different reasons. One's in the name of security,
Yeah.
because then they can't get to your main system.
Yeah.
Two, there's the fact of resource usage. A Docker container uses way less than the
Less.
real operating system does.
Yeah.
Because it's literally designed for one thing, and that's it. It's
Yeah,
not
no more, no
designed
less.
for general use. Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like I have a Docker container to build AcreetionOS,
Yeah.
right? And it runs on any operating system. But that's all it does. It's not like you can go into it and start
Right.
playing around with art, right? Like that's
Yeah.
literally all it does is builds it.
Yeah. It builds and
One
that's it.
task.
No more.
Yeah.
It has one job and one job only, right? Basically.
Yeah, exactly. Because what it does is it outputs it if you're on Linux in the documents directory under output ISO. If it's on Windows, it does it under the document directory under output ISO. If you're on Mac OS, again, the same thing.
Yeah.
The only thing is it does it in different ways on the back end because they have different languages
Protocols.
they use.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because like Mac OS uses ZSH, which is pretty much identical to Bash, right? Like,
Yeah.
they're pretty much the same thing for the most part. But then you have PowerShell, which is just completely functionally different. The thing is, though, PowerShell, I think, is the only good thing to ever come out of Microsoft.
PowerShell.
Yeah. It is stupidly powerful, almost to like a scary level.
Powerful. Yeah. No, I can do a lot of things with it. It's pretty powerful tool.
It's like you can modify anything on a Windows system with it.
Yeah. Just don't let it fall in the wrong
You
hands. Just don't. You know?
Yeah, you can go modify System 32 with it.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, you have to know how to bypass some stuff and turn off some restrictions, but that's where you do it, right? Like that's where they
The PowerShell.
do it. You don't do it in command prompt.
No,
you do
you
it in
don't.
PowerShell.
Yeah, you don't do it in CMD. You do it in PowerShell. But yeah.
Yeah. I think they did that, to be honest, to keep the script kiddies from destroying their machine.
From breaking Windows.
Yeah. Yeah, to be honest, I kind of think that's why they did it. Why there's two of them. I mean, because like they have a different interpreter, right?
Yeah.
So like, yeah, because they have a language called BAT.
Yeah.
BATCH.
Yeah. You know, I used to write little scripts.
Yeah.
Like you know, you go Notepad and you write a couple scripts. Then you know you basically copy the icon, make it look like another icon. Somebody clicks and it like pops out like a whole bunch of boxes randomly, and it freezes up the computer. And basically, we have to restart your computer. Yeah.
Yeah, because for us, whenever you're this was the days when Ubuntu was dog crap still.
Yeah.
For Android stuff, if you wanted to run a Linux container, you didn't actually run a container, you ran a VM,
Yeah.
but you needed to have it literally lie to the VM for what it was, and
To
then
make
they
it
did
work.
it was with
Yeah.
a batch script. Yeah. And just like what we do with Bash now.
Mm. Right? Shit. Yeah. Well,
God,
what is Darren doing?
I have no idea.
Oh. But yeah, I was just
Yeah, I mean, I'm actually on the EISA website right now
yeah.
for the government.
Mhm.
Yeah, because that's where they host put a bunch of cybersecurity stuff.
Yeah.
They also have a cool little service where they'll watch your downloads and stuff and scan them for malware.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's kind of cool. And it doesn't cost anything either.
Nice. Free's always
I-
good. I'm all free's always good.
I'm not, no, I'm
No.
not gonna do it. I don't know, but like, I learned about it and I think it's kind of cool. Like in an
Yeah.
enterprise environment, it would work
Yeah.
well.
Yeah.
Never like an open source project where like the
Right.
government itself keeps
Uh,
attacking open source.
uh.
Nah. Oh my god, I found a bug on their website.
You better be the bad.
So on the bottom,
Uh-huh.
on the bottom, the website, right?
Mhm.
They have their Facebook icon. Next to it, it's supposed to be Twitter, right? Like an X
Yeah.
icon.
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't work. You go to it,
Mm.
and then it lights up the X, but if you put your mouse off of it, it goes away.
Yeah. That's a bug.
It's a bug.
Yep.
But what's also funny is this website, I can blatantly look at the HTML.
What? That's not.
I can blatantly look at the HTML. They don't even like hide what their variables mean on this.
Yeah.
Like it's not obfuscated whatsoever. Or even like putting their endpoint in plain text. So
Wow.
that means if I want to tap into their API and do things, I absolutely could. And the
Yeah.
thing is, right? They added a class, so like think about kind of like an option,
Yeah.
and like it's so you know how like whenever you're writing code, normally you have your libraries and then you have your main piece of like a program you're working on,
Yeah.
right?
Yep.
Like you tap in the other things. That's basically what a class functions as. So they have one called no JavaScript.
Mhm.
So it just means it doesn't run with JavaScript, which I don't know why, because most of the web
It's Java.
is JavaScript. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
But the thing is, maybe it's a security policy thing,
Maybe.
but if that's the reason, then how come I can hit their endpoint directly and have no issues whatsoever? This is weird.
Yeah.
I swear AI wrote this website. There's no way this was written by a person.
Because if it would, it would be, yeah.
And here's another reason why, okay? One of the IDs is Drupal Live Announce. I'm willing to bet you, if I were to go type in Drupal Live Announce, it's going to be a template somewhere. We're going to do that right now.
Yeah, I'm kind of curious now. Probably, yeah. Maybe. Let me know what happens.
Oh no, it's a library. But I found it is a template though.
Oh, it is?
Yep. They used a template.
Mm.
And it's from these people.
Wow.
It's the same design language. I know, like that's the thing, right? Like
Yeah.
they literally just took a template that was on the internet and then they rewrote it with AI. That's our government website.
Wow, that's the government for you, right? Wow. Oh, wow.
It's not that I'm not surprised. It's more so that these templates are not written with security in mind.
No, yeah,
at
that's what I'm
all.
saying. Yeah.
In any way, they're not.
The website is really vulnerable.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. And
Mhm.
and I have extensions that do JavaScript injection
Yeah.
so that they can do overlays, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they work. they shouldn't be able to work.
Right? Yeah. They
If
should
it's a
block- they should
government
block it.
website, they should be blocking that. Yeah.
Yeah.
And the thing is, right? Like they even have a image source for their images,
Yeah.
but it blatantly says the address for the image. So like I can go there, right?
Yeah.
And then I can copy and paste the image
And it'll come up.
and it'll come up and I can take it if I'm some bad person or something.
Yeah. That's crazy. It's not their website's not even locked down then, basically.
Yeah, because like it doesn't show the image, but if I hit F12,
And pops up.
it's still here. It's
Yeah.
still here. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Like
Wow.
this is a problem.
Yeah.
And with the way that it's formatted too, right? Most of the AI generators, so like DeepSeek does this, for instance. Whenever it generates an image, it has 2 equal signs on the end.
Yeah.
This has that. So
Ooh.
these images are AI generated. So I know this is an AI generated website.
That's all
like,
bad. That's all bad. That's real bad.
Again, though, I don't have a problem with it being AI generated, but like this is
That's government
my
stuff,
problem.
though. It
Is
shouldn't be.
it's too easy. I can download this website with the click of an
Huh?
extension.
Give me key.
I mean,
Yeah.
yeah.
Have you gone back to Z?
No.
Are you looking for the black?
You can also download it using curl.
The black cat
Yeah.
and the Siamese.
Well, I haven't caught the fish yet.
You haven't caught any.
No, not that one. Not the one they're talking about. I'll check right now. Hold on.
Okay.
I'm gonna go find these damn cats.
Well, no, the black cat wants the whisker one.
Oh, I haven't caught that one yet, though.
And black and white one, I think, wants the silver one.
Well, I haven't caught that one either. Okay. But yeah, that's just crazy. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. It's kind of a
Oh, coffee.
problem.
Coffee?
Yeah. Why? Okay. Yeah, I'm getting coffee.
Oh, you're fine.
No. She asked me if I wanted coffee. But yeah,
Oh, sorry.
no, you're good. That's just crazy, man. Wow.
Yeah, no, like I can blatantly just take the page.
Yeah.
It's not that this is illegal. This part's not. Just looking at the source. But the
Yeah.
problem is like, I know they did block it on the backside though to being able to take any actual information.
Yeah.
But here's the other thing though, right? Like, I literally can see the template name. It's called Secure Your Business.
Wow.
Let's see, website template, Drupal. Yeah, no, it's literally just, yeah, you literally make it here. Some guy in the government went to this website and they generated their template and then threw it up.
That's
That is
crazy.
the most lazy way to make a website possible.
Right. Yeah.
No, I'm serious. Okay?
No, I know. You know, I know.
Like that is just blatantly lazy. Jesus. And they wonder why they wonder why the breaches all the time.
Right.
Oh my god. Whoever is their network engineer though clearly knows what he's doing. I can tell you
Yeah.
that much.
Yeah.
But then you also look here, there's also an analytics company connected to it. I believe this is actually a Google Analytics company, Site Improvement Analytics, analytics.com. I'm actually really sure I know what this is. Copy element. Because I'm pretty sure this is, yeah, that's an analytics tracker. I've used this before. It's Cloudflare based.
Oh, okay.
Open code. Yeah. You know, like I like doing this stuff, not because like, yeah, I don't like to
gotcha.
be mean. It's just more like, come on.
Right. Oh, I got you.
I thought our stuff was supposed to be protected.
Right. Not vulnerable. Oh man.
Like, did you know you can blatantly scrape the Social Security website?
Mm-hmm. No.
We'll talk more about it later. It's kind of yeah. They need to just fire some of these companies and find new ones. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, no, I got you. Yeah, a lot of people need to get fired.